Hi everyone, welcome to my home tour. So today I'll be showing you my apartment which I'll be leaving soon. It's just last 3 days. Anyway, I'm really excited to show you because this apartment is the one that I had on my vision board. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm down to shoot this video. This is the neighborhood. Welcome to my house. As we come in, we have like this shoe rack, and then this is the living area. This lamp was gifted to me. Then we have me and him. This is our living area, and I found this from Temu. It's nice, right? So this is how it looks. We have a very good view. The windows are a little dirty, but still. Okay, this is our kitchen. I would say we have a very spacious kitchen, but it's open, so that's not convenient. Still, it's a nice kitchen, and there's also like a view from the kitchen. Yeah, don't mind that everything is not super neat and clean because I'm not that much of a tidy person. Then we have this is our dining table. Then we have my study areas. This is my study area. Then this is cookies. Litter box. We have a view. This is the view from our small window. And then this is the TV stand area. We put this plastic because the water tends to go down. And we have this plant area. So yeah, this is the space. It's actually really big. I would say for a living room, it's very spacious. Then we go like this. First, I will show you our bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This is me. I know this is a lot of things, but I just like it. I like it. I like it to be here. I like it just in my eyes. And this is my next girl achievement. Then this is our bed. Our bed, has the storage option, which is very good. This whole material that we used is called boucle. This also follows in our living room, the couch, everything. And then we have a study table. Now, the view. The view is where the money is. Like, we didn't get time to decorate the balcony and all, but this is it. This is the guest room. Guest room is also pretty comfortable, and we have a good view as well for the guest room. The good thing about this apartment, it's so spacious, and there's like so many cupboards. We can fill in a lot of things. So yeah, this is the guest room. And then we also have a maid's room. So this is from below our building. We have direct access to the walk. Seriously, it's so beautiful. And if we walk, we can also reach that's Ain Dubai, the JBR beach, and just few minutes from here is Marina Mall. So that's it for our home tour. This was my dream apartment, like literally in my vision board. I wanted to stay in Marina. I wanted to stay in an apartment like this with this kind of flooring, this kind of view, and I wanted to decorate in a Pinteresty aesthetic, like a very off-white, clean aesthetic, that kind of way. And I made that happen. So this is not my first rental house. This is my second rental house, but it was something that I always wanted. And yeah, I'm gonna be leaving from here. just doesn't make sense for me to stay here now, because like I've sort of outgrown this home in a way. I stayed here just for the vibes and just to see if it helps in my business, because I'm a content creator, I am an online entrepreneur, but it doesn't. So in that way, like whatever decisions I make, it is heavily influenced and justified if it makes sense as a business investment. Otherwise, I don't, look into it. So in that way, it doesn't. And the money that I'm spending living here, I can travel. So travel is of course always priority. Just the rent is almost 13,000 dirhams, and we have Deva, we have like some other bill, then the Wi-Fi bill. Like it comes to a lot, which is fine for me, but it does not make business sense. Like I just make more money when I'm traveling. So I am looking forward to living here and then focusing on travels. But this house has given me and my husband so many good experiences. We hosted so many people, and everyone could live this, because Marina is like a proper Dubai. When people say Dubai, it's Marina. Like Marina is one of them. So everybody could experience that because we stay here. That I'm happy that I could host people, make people come here, and a lot of my cats were here. So it's little bittersweet, and I'm not so emotional to leave. Like I'm not that kind of emotional person. If tomorrow I leave and I'm like in a new house, I'll probably forget about this. Like I'm somebody like that, but I'm happy that this place gave us so much memories, and I'm really looking forward to my next phase in life. So yeah, this house is everything that I wanted at this before stage, and now it's time to move on. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my this house tour. I will be back soon with the next one. Inshallah, I want to buy.